What's that one?
Hey, go get my cam.
Oh, it's already
go get
recorded.
my.
Just leave it on.
Alright.
Fine.
Do it up.
Wait, no.
Go get my camera. It's right on my thing.
Video too. We'll mix all three together.
Yeah, I need like a stylus to press this one tiny button that I can't hit in the corner.
Just open it up. It's on picture, Ed.
It's pissing me off. Here, just turn it up quick. Here we go.
Alright.
And then we'll edit these things.
Hold on, Kavi. Hold on.
Hold on.
Hey, I'm gonna go down there. Just turn it on, and you should be good to go. It's the same setup that you saw earlier. Hold on, wait. Put it on fine.
I need to figure out.
Make sure you get Kavi going into it.
Dude, I'm trying to get my phone still on video.
Alright.
Alright, I'm going down here.
Hey, start when he's walking in because that's fine. You only get 11 minutes of shot time.
Alright, 11 minutes. I figured it out.
That's gonna be so clear.
Alright, stay ready when you're ready. Alright, go. Ready? Alright, go.
Ready.
I hear it's starting to purr.
Back up, guys. Back up. 5, 4, 3. I hear it's starting to purr.
Oh, shit!
That was a nice one.